Mr. Pandurangam Narmeta, spiritually enlightened senior pyramid master and in charge of Pyramid Party of India's Siddipet Assembly constituency. He is the head of the department for first year of B.tech Humanities and Sciences department at Indur Institute of Engineering and Technology in Siddipet. After he started meditating, he has the honor to build a rooftop pyramid in less than 3 months, and he has been lecturing many spiritual classes in and around Siddipet. Hello and welcome to PMC English. I'm Idris and we have a very special guest here today, Mr. Pandurangam Narmeta. He is a professor by profession and we are going to discuss a lot about his spiritual journey. So a very warm welcome to our studio.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So first of all, I would like to know, how did your spiritual journey start?
Yeah, in the year 2007, sir, right, I expressed my deepest salutations to our beloved Guru, Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji.
Right.
He is my role model on the side of spirituality. Right. And I was very much impressed about his idealism, right, and his untiring service to the entire world. Sir, and in the year 2007, in the month of October, I started doing meditation. And in the year 2007, I used to conduct some spoken English classes in Siddipet, in my native town. Right. One of my students, namely Chandishwar, he introduced me the importance of meditation, and he took me to the Pyramid Center in Siddipet, right, and he made me sit in meditation. For the first time, I sit for 45 minutes. I experienced some sparks in meditation. Right. After that, he gave me one CD. It is Spiritual Reality CD. Right. And after going home, I watched it thoroughly, the Spiritual Reality CD. In the coming days, I started reading Andhra Pradesh magazine continuously for 3 months. And so my journey, spiritual journey, and I was introduced to meditation. It started in that manner.
Right, got it.
Right.
Very wonderful. Yeah. Actually, a great experience you have had.
Yes, sir.
And now moving ahead, like since you said you started it from Siddipet, that's your native place. So
my native
could you
place.
Please introduce, could you please give more information about your native place, where you're from, where were you born, and what have you been doing?
Yeah. Sir, my native place is Pullur. Pullur. 7 kilometers away from Siddipet.
Right.
Okay, it is a village, major village in Siddipet Mandal. Right. I was born and brought up there. Till my 10th standard, had my schooling. Right. After 10th standard, I came to Siddipet, right, for higher studies and settled in Siddipet. Right. Now I am living in Siddipet.
So currently I
am working in Indur Institute of Engineering and Technology. As the head of the department. It's Humanities and Sciences.
Humanity and Sciences.
Humanities and Sciences.
So how do you relate this humanity and sciences with spiritual science?
With spiritual science, I promoted the benefits of meditation and the importance of pyramid power. Still teach the students about meditation, and I teach them about spiritual science. They come to me and they ask several questions. I also clarify their questions. Right. Got it. Yeah, my college principal, sir, VP Raj, I still converse with him about pyramid meditation. And he asks about Patriji, sir, and the PSSM movement. How is it going on? He's asking me.
So definitely a great conversation you have had with your principal too, right?
Yes.
Wonderful.
And he encouraged me also.
That's great.
Yes, he motivates and he insists me to motivate the students in meditation.
Teaching job, it's a very tiresome and busy job, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You have to prepare yourself, you have to, keep yourself up to date, to teach people, to teach students. So in this process, how do you get time for spirituality?
In the end of the class, there will be 5-10 minutes. Then I motivate the students how to do meditation and what is the process of meditation.
So you teach them for 40 minutes, then 10 minutes out of 50 minutes you keep for this spiritual preaching, right?
Spiritual preaching, right.
Right, that's wonderful,
right.
Really interesting.
Sir.
So really nicely you manage the time, isn't it?
Yeah, sir.
So what is Sajjan Sangatya?
In my native place, there are a few spiritual masters. Bhupati Raju is called Dhyana Gaddar. And Bhimeshwar Prasad, we call him Bhimanna, Ramanna, Pol Balanna, Eenadu Venkatesham, and Eenadu Venkanna, Veereshamanna, and Kasula Durga Reddy Master. And a few masters, I still associate with them. And we have spiritual gathering every Thursday. And we discuss.
Every week?
Every Thursday.
Right.
And
Why
we have
Thursday especially?
Thursday especially, and 3 years ago, one pyramid was built under the name of Dattatreya Pyramid. Dattatreya Pyramid. Okay, so the finest day of Dattatreya is Thursday. Thursday. That's why we have a spiritual gathering there. And we discuss and we do Sajjana Sangatya.
Right. So it is like a spiritual discussion that you...
Yes, we have a spiritual talk. Right. Spiritual wisdom is being shared among us. And we also tour some villages to spread the importance of meditation.
Right.
And we conduct Saptahas, 7 days meditation program.
Okay.
We conduct workshops also. And every day a new master teaches. There are a few pyramid meditation centers in Siddipet.
Right.
There will be Saptaha, and we move and preach the people.
So you, like every week you take time and you keep weekly programs.
Yes, sir.
Then you go to people from village to village, from town to town, you spread the word of meditation.
During one Saptaha, I engage 1 day.
Okay, so in 1 week you give 1 day.
1 day.
So likewise the other people give 1 day.
1 day.
So
7 masters, they engage 7 days.
7 days. Wow,
7
that's
days.
a great planning.
Yes, sir.
Really amazing.
Thank you, sir.
And since like you've been preaching meditation through these saptas, so have you ever met some like some person who is something different?
I find people in different manner. They come and they share their experiences, meditational experiences, and their experiences, it varies from person to person. And I learned how to listen to others.
That's what Patriji said.
He's a great listener.
So what has been the best experience that you have heard from somebody?
Some people, they see what is going to happen in their future and what did they face for their current position in the previous, in earlier. So this kind of experiences I did face.
Understand. So really amazing. So moving ahead, what is meditation according to you?
Cultivation of land is agriculture. Cultivation of mind is meditation.
Wonderful.
So, a small key can open a big house.
Correct.
So, a simple practice can open the doors of the universe.
Lovely.
Spontaneously you are let know the secrets of the universe.
That's meditation according
That's
to you.
meditation. Meditation helps know the secrets of life.
Right. So it helps us to grow our mind, our soul, and our overall, life.
Life.
Right.
Okay. Love and compassion.
Of course, it
A
comes.
byproduct of
Yes.
meditation or byproduct of meditation. Yes, it develops.
Correct. So you say like it helps us to grow our mind, body, and soul, and spirituality, and overall our life, and then love and compassion comes along with it. Right.
Yes, agree, sir.
In this universe, there are a lot of spiritual societies, right? Lots of spiritual movements. What makes Pyramid Spiritual Society different from others?
PSSM, Pyramidal Spiritual Society movement, is exclusively different from other societies. It is promoting vegetarianism.
Right.
It is forefront to create awareness among public about the importance of spiritual science through the means of meditation. Pyramidal Spiritual Society movement is a forefront to enlighten people on the facts discovered in spiritual science. It develops divine consciousness among all. It spreads the message of universal love, peace, free thinking, and fearlessness. This is, I found the difference.
Correct.
Of course, other societies are doing their work tremendously,
Right.
but I am very much attracted to this, as everyone is ECK unit as energy, conscious and knowledge beings. The more we are conscious, the more we become energetic and the more we gain knowledge. From this I learned this
Right.
in the beginning of doing my meditation. No animal should be killed here.
Right.
Mainly through meditation we develop compassion. Compassion is the gateway to the spirituality.